All right, today we're going to bring a powerful LED light. If you have a warehouse or a giant place, you have a hardware store or somewhere you need to set up a gym or maybe an office, this is a very powerful light that you can set up. Now, the fixture itself, they give you plenty of LEDs, and the fixture itself is very durable. It's mostly made for indoors, not outdoor graded, so just be careful how you mount this out. It has to be somewhere where there's shelter with it, so just be aware of that. Now, they give you the actual hanger, and it's a screw-in hanger, so you can set this up temporary and then screw in the top. It's a plug and play 3-prong connection, if you guys can see that. They give you a module. This is a Bluetooth module, so you can control it in there. In order to do that, you got to remove the existing and screw this in there once you're ready to go. Including with it, on off and on, you could set it up with your remote control, and you could remote this through actually using the application. We're going to do both. We're going to try to do remote application, and we're going to do the control too. We're going to set it up, and I'm going to show you where we're going to set it up. Here's in my backyard. We have a place, we have a little workshop in the back. We have no light. We're going to hang it up. The structure, this structure is very strong. It's durable. We're going to put it on our canopy here, hanging on. It's going to light up this entire place. This is where I'm going to be working in my shop right here. I'm actually working right now on some couple of projects here, a couple of pieces of wood, and I painted a light. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up and see how it works. All right, so if you guys can see, we're working on our project back here in the yard, and now we have 3. We got plenty of light, and we're able to do our projects here. Brightness. All right, let's take a look at the controller first. All right, to pair it, you're gonna have to disconnect it a couple times. You hold the reset button for 5 seconds, and then once you hit the reset button, you have to say pair. Now, once you have it pair, you're able to turn it off. Completely turn off the lights in here, turn it back on, and it's super bright, because you see now we could change it from here. We have actually access to change it to 3500K. all right, 3500K. We could change it to 5K, 5000K, and then we could change the levels too, from 50% to 10% to 100%. And right now we have it at 100% right now. We can always go back to make sure all the lighting. You could even dim it down here. If you from here remotely, you can dim it down really low. Then you could dim it back up. Now you got controls of all the K systems to change the tone. You guys can see it more yellow, but we're gonna go more to the left, to the right, and make it brighter. So this whole place is really bright. And now I'm going to show you the actual control that you can do with your phone. Here we have control of the lighting, if you guys can see. We control anything we want. We could go back in here. We could go back to yellow, go back to 100%. We could turn it off. We could switch off too. Switch. How dark it is, see? Now we could switch it back on. If you manage this from a long distance, you're going to lose connectivity. So you have to be within certain range for the Bluetooth to work. Or you need to own a hub. The hub could skip down to your phone from anywhere to your internet. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.